Cause I was on YouTube.
Watch the TY38.
Yeah.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop out here in North Nashville, over here by TSU, but we over here at TriStar Energy. We right now working on this Toyota RAV4 right now. Like I said, we've been here for a while. My camera doing some weird stuff. I think I left it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just hoping, I'm praying my camera not broken, but it would not turn on. I'm not 100% sure if I let the battery completely die out yesterday or what, but it's not turning on at all. So I'm using the trusty phone. But we doing the detail on the interior of this car. If you can look, I already got this side of the car completely done. If you look, it looks pretty clean. It looks very clean. Seats look good. But like I say, even back here, you look at this seat, you look on this side, it looks good. But then you look over there, and then you start to see little traces of dirt, things like that. Like it's not really that bad. It looked bad. It looked badder than what I thought it was. But once I got to getting here working, it's like always the job becomes a little bit easier. But I'm already halfway done with this car. It's a little cold today. Right now it's only like 30-something degrees, so my brother is a little bit cold. But I'm about to go ahead and continue working on this car. See, I got the trusty drill out to drill some of the mats to keep it to help dirty. But I also got the bucket with all my utensils and brushes and things like that. And then we got the trusty old rigid. But like I said, we over here right now about to start on this side of the car. And if you look, it got your normal debris, your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, pebbles, rocks, and a little bit of receipts, bubble gum, things like that. We're gonna get over here, wipe these seats down properly, and also get in the back of this car and make sure we do the back the same way. But we already, like I said, almost done with the interior of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and continue doing our job. I think they got 2 more cars for us here, and I need to let my other people know that I'm running a little bit behind because of the coldness this morning, because it was only like 30-something degrees this morning. But on that note, I hope you're having a blessed day. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new to the channel, you already know what to do, man. And on that note, I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. Like I said, man, we're using the phone because the Canon EOS R is tripping. I just think my battery is completely dead. But regardless of that fact, we just finished this car right here completely. Got the car looking immaculate. And you remember what the car looked like? I know you do, because it was just a few seconds ago. And you remember how dirty this was. It had debris all right there and all over there. You remember the seats had like a little hint, a little tight, light tint on it. But the car came out great. I'm gonna have to come out and look at the car, get paid. Still got a few more cars to do here, so we'll go ahead and let them know. Like always, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope whatever you're doing in life, you take pride in that. And you know, on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and park and get ready for the next car. And like always, man, stay positive. You know what I mean? Don't let nobody stress you out. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finished this second car today, man, which is this Subaru. I mean, it's Volkswagen. I don't know exactly what model it is, so let me give y'all a quick glimpse. This is a Volkswagen Tiguan. But I thought I gave you shots prior to, but I didn't, but it was pretty dirty in here. But if you look at it, man, we got the car looking great. Car came out real good. It was dirt all right here. You know, seats was black. You know, cup holders and things like that was completely dirty. But we got the car looking good. We're gonna let them know, come out and look at the car. I know he's definitely gonna be happy, you know, especially with the work today. But on that note, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, man. And I hope everybody checking out the new podcast at True Lounge TV. Definitely go check that out. Episode 2 drop. And then also go check out my kids channel at Young World TV. We actually, last video we actually dropped, we was making Subway type sandwiches. But on that note, man, it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna go do an episode around Nashville, cause I need to go keep that going. But on that note, man, you do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And I'm trying to find somebody to interview for Look Into an Entrepreneur. So we're gonna have another episode of that coming soon. But on that note, man, stay great. I think I just said that, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finished this last car of the day, which is just the third car of the day, which is BMW X3. Yeah, I had a few other cars to do, but I'm trying my best to get everything back in order. And then, like I say, with the weather being so terrible today, I didn't get out when I needed to, so it kind of put me behind. But the car looking great. It came out well. About the tire shining tires, we just did the windows. We also have it vacuumed out thoroughly. She had some type of white stuff in here, so it took me a little time. It's still some right there. I'm gonna go get my towel. But like I said, we finished here for the day, man. You know what I mean? Such a beautiful day. It was a little chilly today. Just got up to like 41 degrees, and you see the sun hiding behind the clouds. So it's just been very cold today. But man, we finished here, man. About to park this car, head home. Try to figure out what's wrong with this camera, man, 'cause I'm a little upset. That got me a little down to my camera. I've not been working all day, and I've been using it all weekend. I haven't dropped it or anything like that, so that's another thing that I'm kind of trying to figure out what's the issue is. You know what I mean? So on that note, man, I'm about to get ready and head up out of here, do what I gotta do. So on that note, like always, man, stay positive, man. You know what I mean? Stay dedicated to whatever it is, man. Love thyself, you know. I had to explain that in the podcast, that self-love is everything. And on that note, like always, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you tomorrow, man. Peace.
'Cause I was on YouTube. Watch the TY 38. Yeah.